Igqwetha lombuso libawe bona litshwiliswe icala njengoba ipolice elavula icala belingekho lithula ubufakazi kwelinye icala.
Under the circumstances, the state is forced to bring an application for a postponement in this particular matter, as the main witness, Colonel Nama, is currently testifying in the High Court on a matter that is part heard, and he is the main witness that the state has to lead. Your Worship, in support of my application, I have an email from the Deputy Director of Public Prosecution confirming same, Your Worship.
Nanyana njalo igqwetha lomsolwa lisiphikisile isibawo esilathi umsolwa uyabandlululwa.
Even on the two occasions, the record will speak for itself. This matter has been marked finally on two occasions. And in both instances, the matter has been adjourned at the instance of the state. And it was solely the reason that partially on the state problem. And it is clear that for all this time, the House of the State has not been in order.
Ngani magistrato laleli icala ukuhlabela ukuriyada walo nanyana njalo wavumela ukuthulisa kwalo.
Now I have to go for that. That next time I'm coming to court. For what? How many criminals that are out there? People were raped out there, my lord, by the illegal miners. Nobody is taking care of it. You're just arresting an honest man that has never been convicted.
Igqwetha lombuso kulindeleka bona lisebenzisa imigadangiso ye-CCTV namarekhodi omtato njengobufakazi kanti icala lithuliswe lamalanga naka5 ngoNobayeni.